The navel is present in the center of our body and plays an important role in the maintaining the internal energy and balance of the body. When the navel moves away from its natural position, it is called navel dislocation or navel looseness or navel movement. This problem is seen in both men and women, but most people do not know the right solution for it. Navel dislocation can cause many problems like stomach pain, indigestion, loss of appetite, constipation, or diarrhea. If it is not treated properly in time, then this problem can persist for a long time. Today, I will tell you detailed information about the causes, symptoms, and effective remedies to cure navel dislocation at home. Also, in the end, I will also discuss the ways to stabilize and balance the navel through yoga. So friends, let's start. I am Dr. Pathan. You are very welcome to my channel. First of all, we will talk about the causes of navel dislocation. There can be many reasons behind navel dislocation. Some of the main reasons are: first is lifting heavy weight suddenly. Lifting heavy things in the wrong way puts more pressure on the stomach muscles, due to which the navel can move from its correct place. This problem is mostly seen in laborers, weightlifters in the gym, and people engaged in household chores. Second is sudden shock or fall. If a person's stomach is affected by a sudden fall, slip, or shock, then the navel can move from its place. This is more seen in the children and elderly. Third cause is digestive system or digestion disorder. If a person has constant constipation or diarrhea, then this problem can weaken the nerves of the stomach. This can cause the navel to become unbalanced. Fourth cause is sudden pressure on muscles. If a person suddenly runs very fast, jumps, or does heavy exercise, the pressure on the abdominal veins increases, which can cause the navel to move out of its place. Fifth cause is during pregnancy and delivery in women. During physical changes in pregnancy and delivery, there is more pressure on the navel. Due to this, the problem of navel sleeping is seen in many women after delivery. Sixth cause is doing yoga or exercise in the wrong way. If a person does yoga in the wrong posture or does heavy exercise without guidance, then it can cause the navel to move. Now let's talk about the symptoms of navel dislocation. If the navel dislocates, some major symptoms appear in the body. These symptoms can be mild or severe. First symptom is severe pain in the stomach. Mild or sharp pain may be felt especially around the navel. Second is feeling of heaviness or bloating in the stomach. The problem of gas formation may increase after the navel dislocation. Third symptom is loss of appetite. There may be complaints of indigestion and lack of appetite. Fourth symptoms is difficulty in bowel movement. Problems like constipation or diarrhea may occur. Fifth symptoms is weakness and fatigue. There may be a slight lethargy and fatigue in the body. Sixth symptom is abnormal movement of the navel. When you lie down and look at your stomach carefully, the navel does not appear to be in its correct place. If you ignore these symptoms, then there may be more problems and complications. Therefore, it is important to take the right steps to fix it. Now let's talk about the easy ways to fix navel dislocation at home. Home remedies to fix navi dislocation. First is massage the navel with lukewarm oil. Warm mustard or coconut oil slightly and massage the navel and its surroundings. Massage around the navel in a clockwise direction. This relaxes the abdominal nerves and helps in bringing the navel to its correct position. Second is apply lukewarm water. Place a bottle filled with hot water over the navel and apply it for 10 to 15 minutes. This will relax the abdominal nerves and the navel can return to its place. Third is drink decoction of celery and fenugreek. Boil 1 teaspoon celery and 1 teaspoon fenugreek in a 1 glass of water. Make it lukewarm and drink it 1 to 2 times a day. It strengthens the digestive system and helps in curing the navel. Fourth is consume ginger and cardamom. Drink cardamom and ginger water every morning to its improved digestion. This will reduce the gas in the stomach and the navel come to its right place. Now let's talk about the which yogasana should be done to cure navel. No yoga for navi dislocation. Yogasanas help in curing navel naturally. This yogasana strengthen the abdominal muscles, improve digestion and keep the navel balanced. First yogasana is Pavan Muktasana. This yogasana is effective for releasing gas. To do this yogasana, lie down on your back and keep both legs straight. Bend the right leg from the knee and hold it with both hands and press it towards the chest. Try to raise the head and join it with the knees and hold for 10 seconds. Repeat the same procedure with the other legs. Then bend both the legs and press them together towards the chest and hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Its benefits: one is helps in removing stomach gas, second is increases digestion power and removes constipation, third is helps in balancing the navel. Second yogasana is Navasana. This yogasana is effective for strengthening the abdominal muscles. To do this yogasana, sit on the yoga mat and stretch the legs in front. Slowly raise the legs and balance the body in V shape. Keep the hands straight in front and stay in this position for 10 to 15 seconds. Slowly return to normal position. Its benefits: first is strengthen the abdominal muscles, second is helps in maintaining the balance of the navel, and third is improves the digestion system. Third yogasana is Balasana. This yogasana is effective for balancing the navel. To do this yogasana, sit on your knees on the yoga mat and bend the body forward. Place your head on the ground and stretch the hands in front. Stay in this position for 20 to 30 seconds and take a deep breath. Slowly return to normal position. Its benefits is: first is balances the navel, second is relaxes the abdominal muscles, and third is provides mental peace. Fourth yogasana is Bhujangasana. This yogasana is effective for strengthening the abdominal nerves. To do this yogasana, lie down on your stomach and keep both hands near the shoulders. While breathing slowly, lift the upper part of the body and raise the head. Stay in this posture for 10 to 15 seconds and then slowly come back. Benefits: first is strengthens the muscles around the navel, second is improves digestion, and third is reduces stomach pain and gas problems. Fifth yogasana is Mandukasana. Mandukasana, this yogasana is effective for balancing the stomach. To do this yogasana, sit on your knees and make fists of both hands and keep them near to navel. Exhale and bend the body forward. Maintain this position for 10 to 15 seconds. Slowly return to the normal position. Its benefits is: first is help to balance the navel, second is strengthen the digestive system, and third is eliminates the problem of constipation and gas. Friends, navel slippage is a common problem, but it can be easily cured by taking timely treatment. If you like today's video, friends, then like it, subscribe to the channel and also share it with everyone so that more people can also get benefits. So see you in my next video. Till then, thanks.